What's up guys, Saf Ashraf here. Today I'm going to be giving you my first impressions on the M1 Mac Mini. I've been using this for about a day now and wow, this is really fast. So yeah, make sure to sit back, relax. These are my first impressions. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the full review. Also M1 MacBook Air impressions coming soon. Make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss that. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, let's talk about the design first of all on the M1 Mac Mini. So to be honest, not a whole lot of change except for the inputs at the back. We have the power button, the power, we have an Ethernet, 2 Thunderbolts this time, HDMI and 2 USB-As with a headphone jack at the bottom. So we are missing 2 Thunderbolt ports from last time, but it is okay. I don't know why Apple are doing that with their M1 series this year, but to be honest, I'm fine with that. I'll just buy a couple of adapters. That's what Apple wants us to do anyway. Once again, no major design difference from the 2018 Mac Mini apart from this new color. It's a nice silver color, to be honest. I really like it. What about you? You guys did see in the intro. Leave your thoughts in the comments about the design. Would this fit in your setup right now? Before I talk about the performance, I just wanted to say this. I am going to be reviewing the 512GB 16GB RAM, just for everyone, the tech heads that want to know what spec I got. 16GB of RAM and 512GB SSD. That's the spec I got. Okay, so now I've got the spec out of the way. Let me tell you how this has performed so far. So the couple of things I've done is download, of course, a lot of software. I edited a little bit on Final Cut Pro. Tried to make some music on Logic Pro, but I'm not the music type of guy. But yes, this is a powerhouse of a machine. So I went into Final Cut Pro and I got some 5K footage from one of the cameras that, if you do follow me on Instagram, I did post it. Follow me there, by the way. Which I used and I put it onto here. I scrubbed through the whole thing. No lag, no delay whatsoever. The M1 Silicon by Apple is definitely the step they needed just to get the full potential they could have got a long time ago. Out of all the M1 Macs, this is definitely a really good option. And the M1 is just topping it to, these days. So that's my first impressions for the M1 Mac Mini. Make sure to subscribe if you don't want to see the full review. Also the M1 MacBook Air review and impressions. Make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. And yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. We are reaching 1,000 subscribers. So yes, the M1 Mac Mini, it's going to be going through some testing on the next couple of weeks. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Saf Ashraf. Yeah. Peace.